they are in the bathtub.
They are still there. Mom, Dad, come here, now!
Mom, Dad, come here, fast!
It is very important, please.
What is it? Is everything okay?
Mom, you have to see this.
Jack, what is wrong?
There are penguins in the bathtub.
Penguins? Jack, penguins in our bathroom?
Okay, I will go and look. There are no penguins in our bathroom. Those are penguins.
Those are real penguins. Brown, why are there penguins in our bathtub?
I do not know.
I do not know.
This is very strange.
See, I told you, penguins.
Yes, Jack, we can see them.
Then why are you not scared?
What is everyone looking at?
Anna, come and look.
Penguins! Real penguins! They are so beautiful. Well,
How did they get in? Okay, everyone, stop. Let us think about this.
Dad, I know how they got in.
Tell me, Jack.
The chimney. They came down the chimney.
Sophia.
The front door is locked.
All the windows are locked too.
Everything is closed. Everything is locked.
So, how did they get inside?
The doors are locked.
The windows are locked. So how did they get in, Brown?
I do not know. Not yet.
They came down the chimney.
Like Santa.
But penguins.
Jack, penguins cannot go down chimneys.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am very sure.
It splashed me. I am very wet now. It is not funny, Anna.
it is a little funny.
I will stand here. Staying dry. The question is, can we catch them?
We need to be gentle, not fast. I will use a towel.
Hello, little penguin. I will not hurt you, I promise.
Okay, I will use this towel. Slowly, very slowly.
I am ready.
Easy, easy. This will not work.
Please be gentle with them.
We will be gentle, Jack. It moved. Thank you.
Okay, my turn. I am going to catch you now. It jumped out.
It is on the floor. Don't let it leave.
I see it. I see it.
Don't let it leave.
I almost have it. Oh, hello.
You cannot go this way. Captain, stay.
It stopped.
Got it. I did not get it. That penguin is very fast.
It went back by itself. We could not catch them.
We need to be gentle. Don't chase them. Sit down. Let them come to you.
That will not work, Anna.
Try it.
Anna is right. Let's try it.
Hello? Everyone stay still. Don't move. Hello, little one. It's okay. You are okay.
See? Be gentle. They come. They just want to feel safe.
We still do not know how they got in. But I am glad they did.
Your name is Pudding.
That is a beautiful name. What a strange morning.
Okay, Noodle, I am going slowly.
Please do not splash me again.
You are very energetic.
Your name is Noodle.
Good. You agree. Pudding and Noodle. Good names.
Dad, what do penguins eat?
Penguins eat... fish? Maybe fish?
Yes, penguins eat fish. They love fish. Small fish.
Do we have fish? I think we have tuna.
I do not see fish.
Wait. Tuna! We have tuna!
Good. That will work.
Okay, Pudding. Okay, Noodle. Here is your food. What would you name the penguins?
Tell us in the comments.
Noodle is happy.
This is a very unusual morning.
Yes, it is.
I love it.
We still do not know how they got in.
Someone must be looking for them.
The window is closed. The door was locked. There is no way in. Too small. Way too small.
I know! They flew in!
Through the window. They flew in.
Penguins cannot fly, Jack. Their wings are too small. Oh.
I knew that. I forgot.
I am going to look online. Penguins near our street. Zoo transport van broke down last night. 2 penguins escaped on our street.
Everyone, come here, now.
I found it. I know where they came from. A zoo van broke down last night. 2 penguins escaped from the van.
On our street, yes. I saw a van this morning.
I didn't see a van.
You were asleep.
But how did they get inside?
Door was locked.
The windows were locked? The doggy door.
Could they fit? It is very small.
Mystery solved. Very clever penguins.
I need to call the zoo. Someone must be looking for them. Hello? Yes, we found 2 penguins.
Yes, they are safe. They are with us.
The
zoo
is
is sending
sending
someone. They will come in 1 hour.
1 hour. I don't want you to go.
You are a good penguin, Noodle.
A very good penguin.
What a morning we had.
Did you know penguins swim very fast? They can swim 25 kilometers per hour.
25 kilometers per hour? Noodle, you are very fast.
It is okay to feel sad.
You were very kind to them.
I love pudding.
I will get it.
Hello, I am Cindy from the zoo.
We are so glad you are here.
Thank you for calling and for caring for them. Our van broke down last night. The 2 penguins escaped. We looked all night. Did you give them names?
This one is Pudding, and this one is Noodle.
Those are perfect names for them. They look healthy. Very good. They are healthy, both of them. You took very good care of them. Thank you, all of you. You were very kind to them. That made a big difference. I have something to tell you.
What is it? Tell us.
Yes, please tell us.
The zoo wants to invite your family. You can visit Pudding and Noodle anytime. And you are our junior zookeepers now.
Junior zookeepers! Yes!
We can visit you, Pudding.
That is very kind.
Thank you. Really. Thank you.
But first, goodbye. Goodbye, Pudding. Thank you for coming to our house.
Goodbye, Noodle. You are my favorite penguin. That means goodbye, I think.
Goodbye, Pudding. You made this morning very interesting.
Goodbye, Noodle. Yes. Thank you for the splash.
Captain is wagging.
Okay, you two. Time to go home.
Goodbye, Pudding. Goodbye, Noodle.
See you, Noodle. See you soon.
Well, that happened. Let's go inside.
What a day.
Yes, what a day.
I still feel Pudding's bill on my hand. It was so soft.
The unexpected can be wonderful, if you are open to it.
I am glad they came. I am very glad.
Me too. Kind of. Okay, yes, me too.
We can visit the zoo next weekend. We can see Pudding and Noodle again.
Did you enjoy our morning? Please subscribe for more stories like this.
Captain is back.
Where were you all morning, Captain?
He is looking for them.
They are gone, Captain.
Don't worry, we will visit them.
Kindness always helps.
Even with penguins? I love you both so much.
I love you too.
Have you ever found a surprise animal? Tell us in the comments.
Thank you for watching with us. See you next time. Bye. Come back soon.
Goodbye. Be kind today.